Good evening, sir. I am S. Murugananda Krishnan. Now I am going to present scheme of fundamental rights to equality. For easy understanding, we want to know what is meant by fundamental right. Fundamental rights are those rights which are essential for intellectual, moral, and spiritual development of individual. These include rights to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, rights to freedom of religion, cultural and educational right, right to constitutional remedies. From this, we are going to see about rights to equality. The Constitution of India grants fundamental rights to all the citizens of India, irrespective of race, place of birth, religion, caste, or gender. Rights to equality is one of the six fundamental rights provided in the Constitution of India. Article 14 to 18 of the Constitution state the provision related to the right to equality. It forms the foundation of all the other rights and liberties. We shall now discuss all the provision in detail. The rights to equality is an important right provided in Article 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18 of the Constitution. It is the principal foundation of all other rights and liberty and guarantees the following. Equality before the law is deals at Article 14, social equality and equal access to the public areas. Article 15, equality in matter of public employment is deals at the Article 16. Abolition of untouchability is deals at the Article 17. Abolition of titles is dealt at the Article 18. Now we are going to see about this scheme by one. The first scheme is equality before the law. Article 14 of the Constitution guarantees that all the people shall be equally protected by the law of the country. It means that the state will be treated people in the same circumstances alike. This article also means that individual, whether citizen of India or otherwise, shall be treated differently if the circumstances are different. The next scheme is social equality and equal access to the public area. Article 15 of the Constitution states that no citizen of India shall be discriminated on the basis of religion, race, caste, sex, or place of birth. Every person shall have equal access to the public places like public parks, museum, well, bathing gats, etc. However, the state may make any special provision for women and children. Special provision may be made for the advancement of any socially or educationally backward classes or scheduled caste or scheduled tribes. The third scheme is equality in matter of public employment. Article 16 of the Constitution lay down that the state cannot discriminate against citizen in the matter of employment. All the citizen can apply for the government jobs. However, there are some exceptions. The Parliament may enact a law stating that certain job can be filled only by applicants who are domiciliary in the area. The state may also reserve posts for the member of backward classes, scheduled caste or scheduled tribes which are not adequately represented in the service under the state to bring up the weaker section of the society. Also, there a law may be passed that required that the holder of the office of any religion institution shall also be preferred profession that particular religion. According to Citizen Amendment Bill 2003, this right shall not be conferred to overseas citizen of India. The fourth scheme is abolition of untouchability. Article 17 of the Constitution abolishes the practice of untouchability. The practice of untouchability is the offense, and anyone doing so is punishable by law. The Untouchability Offence Act of 1995, renamed to Protection of Civil Right Act in 1976, provided penalty for preventing a person from entering a place of worship or from taking water from the tank or well or any other like public areas. The last scheme of rights of equality is abolition of title. Article 18 of the Constitution prohibits the state from conferring any titles. Citizens of India cannot accept title from the foreign state. The British government has created an aristocratic class known as Rai Bahadur and Khan Bahadur. In India, these titles were also abolished. However, military and academic distinction can be conferred on the citizen of India. The award of Bharat Ratna and Padma Bhushan cannot be used by recipient as a title and do not accordingly come within the constitution prohibition. The Supreme Court on 15 December 1995 upheld the validity of such award.